Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Peugeot 3008 GT, a bold evolution of Peugeot's popular compact SUV that's shaking up the segment with its futuristic looks, smart interior, and powerful electrified performance. Let's break it all down. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 3008 GT introduces a completely new design language. Gone is the traditional SUV boxiness. Instead, we get a coupe-style silhouette with sharp lines, a sloping roof, and aggressive LED lighting that gives it a high-tech vibe. The new light signature at the front, inspired by lion claws, really stands out. The grille has been reworked for a more aerodynamic look, blending into the bodywork almost seamlessly. Riding on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels and featuring bold side creases, the 3008 GT looks dynamic from every angle. It's definitely a head-turner. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, we're now dealing with full electric and hybrid powertrains. The GT version can be spec'd with Peugeot's latest electric motor delivering up to 230 horsepower, and a range of over 320 miles on a single charge, depending on the battery pack. There's also a dual-motor AWD version expected later, pushing power and grip even further. The ride feels composed, with improved suspension and precise steering, making it ideal for both city streets and longer highway journeys. Acceleration is smooth and punchy. Peugeot has clearly put effort into making the drive engaging. Inside, Peugeot takes things to a new level with the next-gen i-Cockpit. A massive 21-inch curved display stretches across the dash, combining both driver information and infotainment. Materials are premium, with a mix of soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and eco-friendly upholstery options. Space in the cabin has been optimized, offering great legroom in the rear and a decent-sized boot for your daily needs. Tech-wise, the 3008 GT includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a new voice assistant, and a full suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. As for pricing, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 GT starts around €45,000 in Europe, with higher trims and the AWD dual-motor variant reaching closer to €55,000. That positions it competitively against rivals like the VW ID.4 and Hyundai Ioniq 5. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next in-depth car review. Drop a comment below. What do you think of the new 3008 GT?